We will use Angular Toaster for showing the success and error message. Let's right click on control-c.web project, select manage NuGet packages and search for Angular Toaster. Let's select and install the module. Now let's search the module in scripts directory. Drag and drop angular-toaster.tpls.js in index file. Let's place the module below Angular and Angular UI router module. Now let's go to content directory and search for the Angular Toaster CSS. Let's drag and drop angular-toaster.css in the head section. Now let's go back to scripts directory again. Open the module, copy the module name, minimize the scripts directory, open control-c.js module file and add the module name in module dependency. Now let's run the application to check if we could install and configure the toaster module successfully. Everything looks good. Now let's show the success message in next lesson.